Little ingredient handling tricks that even five-star chefs won't tell you. 1. Cut off the shrimp head, press the shrimp with your thumb and forefinger, and gently pull. The vein comes out easily. 2. Put cheap clams, 9.9 Wen ones, in a bowl, add a spoon of salt and a spoon of cooking oil to water and soak for an hour. All the sand and dirt will come out. 3. For cleaned crayfish, remove the head and tail, grab the middle tail section, twist, and pull out the vein, then remove the gills. 4. Pour boiling water over fish. You can easily peel off the skin. 5. Bend chicken wings at the joint. The bones come out easily. 6. Slice garlic horizontally, flip it over and press hard. The garlic comes out effortlessly. 7. Insert chopsticks from the fish's mouth into its belly, twist a few times and you can remove the gills and internal organs. 8. Never thaw frozen meat directly in water. Here's a trick. Add 300 grains of salt and 50 milliliters of white vinegar to warm water and soak the meat for 3 minutes. It will taste even better than freshly bought meat. Follow me to learn more practical life tips. Insert a piece of paper into the gap of your fridge. If it can be pulled out, there is a gap. Use a hairdryer on hot air to seal it. No more gaps. If your phone won't charge or learn these cleaning tricks and save enough in a year to buy a house. 1. Never throw away your home's oil container. Add a spoon of rice, a few drops of dish soap, some white vinegar, a few paper towels, then pour in warm water. Close the lid and shake vigorously. The oil container will be completely clean. 2. Gas stoves develop a thick layer of grease over time. Pour in dish soap, sprinkle a layer of baking soda, then add white vinegar. Let it dissolve for a while, wait 10 minutes and gently wipe with a cloth. It'll be as good as new. 3. Range hoods with oil buildup are hard to clean. Add a spoon of flour, a spoon of salt, dish soap, white vinegar and some warm water. Shake gently. It'll be spotless. 4. In a spray bottle, mix baking soda, white vinegar, white liquor and dish soap. Shake well and spray on kitchen grease, wipe lightly, and surfaces will shine like new. 5. For cutting boards, pour boiling water over them, sprinkle with salt, scrub the surface grime, use baking soda for deep cleaning, and white vinegar to disinfect. Gently rub a few times, pour in more boiling water. The cutting board will be clean as new. Follow me for daily life hacks and cleaning tips. Follow me to learn these quick and convenient life hacks. Line your trash bag this way. It's fast and easy. Can't open a tight can lid? Wrap the lid with cling film and it opens effortlessly. Dull scissors? Cut a few times through aluminum foil and they'll be sharp again. Old pillows turning yellow and smelly. Put the pillow in a bucket, add toothpaste, a few lemon slices, white